Hi guys, we're gonna do another tour of the garden today. So we'll start off with the flowers. We had a thunderstorms last night. They look a little battered. English daisies. We have a couple of onions which I've cut in half and planted. So I hope these goes to seed and we can harvest the seeds. And these are four type of radishes. I have watermelon sparkler, a yellow variety, and a white variety here in our raised bed. So they've been planted 3 weeks. Some of the flowers are coming out. These are our lilies coming up, and these are mums from last year, and those are gladiolas. These are my cabbage seedlings. I have purple, white, yellow, and those are some fenugreek seeds which I've just soaked. These are sweet potatoes which I'm growing for slips. I'll break off the slips and plant them in the garden. And over here I have onion seedlings which are started almost 2.5 weeks ago, and they're starting to come up. I will plant them in a bunch. So I'll let them grow another 2 to 3 weeks in the trays, and then I'll put them in the raised beds. These are radishes here, and underneath here I've planted seeds for carrots. It's been a week, they haven't come up yet. This is my garlic, Spanish Roja, starting to peak up. Some plants are almost a foot tall. There are 32 plants here. And then over here we have elephant garlic. It's much bigger plant than the smaller garlic. I have 18. One plant died recently. They had 19. These two raised beds are ready to go. Haven't planted anything in them yet. Over here in this raised bed I've planted potatoes 2 weeks ago, and they're already starting to come up right here. So this whole 8 by 4 foot bed is potatoes, and over here I have carrots on the right and few potato plants on the left. In the back of the garden I've put this is where I'm going to plant tomatoes, so I've put some cardboard down so that I don't have to keep cutting grass there. That's my compost pile. Over here we already planted some sweet potato slips, so they are starting to come out. So it's from one sweet potato, and I have 5 of these. In here we planted morning glory flowers. They haven't germinated yet. This box we have Chioggia beets. Again, they have been there for 3 or 4 days. They haven't sprouted. And these are peas in the buckets. 6 buckets of peas which are gonna grow really tall, and another 7 here which do not require any support, so they can grow along the fence, and they haven't germinated yet either. And over here I've put on the tarp. I have a clay soil, so essentially nothing grows here, but it's also an incline, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put tarp here for now so that I kill the grass. Then I'm gonna use some of my compost, put a layer and put tarp back on, and make holes in another month's time when I'm past the danger of frost, and I'm gonna grow corn in there. Have any of you guys worked with the clay soil where you have to do something like this? Because there's no way for me to level this, and it'd be a lot of work, and it's tough clay. So let me know what your thoughts are. That's what I'm thinking of doing with this patch. It's 8 by 8 feet approximately. Thanks.